Hi, I'm Austin. Welcome back to my shop. Today we're going to do a little shop update and let you know what's going on around the shop. First thing we're going to talk about, CNC machine. It's been working great. It's been working good for 10 months. A couple weeks ago it just stopped working. I ended up having to send the controller back to the company. Looks like a circuit board might have went bad on it or something. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to use it and been held up on a couple projects waiting for the controller to get back. Pan over here, I got a big cabinet in the works. Trying to get a little more organized in this giant shop that I've got here. All 900 square feet, and it just kind of seems like everything just gets clustered all over the place, and there's no real home for a lot of stuff. So this cabinet will help with that. As you can see back here, I also got a dust collector. I need to get that hooked up. I'll make a video soon, hopefully getting that put together so I can start collecting some of this dust and it doesn't just sit everywhere. I actually got that when I got my table saw. You can see here I got a Rockwell Unisaw from the early 80s. It's got a jet fence on it that I had on this other little Craftsman table that's probably going to get scrapped. It's got a 5-inch dust ported on it already. Kind of a goofy size. I think I'm going to switch it back to a 4-inch once I get my dust collection fixed up. As far as projects, I don't really have a whole lot going on. As you can see, the biggest thing I want to try and do around here is just get everything organized. Of course, once this is going, start making turkey calls. I got a few things to laser engrave, got a couple cutting boards, and hopefully once the weather starts to warm up, I'll be able to make some more items. I just wanted to do a quick shop update and let you know what's going on. Hopefully we can start making videos on a more regular basis. Kind of learn a little more about the woodworking stuff. I mean, I'm an amateur. I won't argue with that at all. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment. Try and get to all the comments that I can. There's usually not too many because I don't have very many subscribers, but thanks for watching and have a great day.